Hello students, today we are again in the touch of the topic. Since article is going on, so once again we have to study about the article. So many lectures have been completed previously. Still some lectures are required to understand and appreciate article, especially the use of article the. In previous lectures we have studied about the proper application of the, but that is not enough. Still some rules and regulations are related with using proper article the. Now we have to study one by one. Students, generally we go to offices, we visit offices, we generally visit cinemas, we also go to theater for amusement, to recreate, for recreation purpose. So before office or cinema or theater, we generally apply article the. If article the is not there, the sentence is incorrect. If you want to construct a right sentence, flawless, without any mistakes or errors, so you have to use article the before office, cinema or theater. Examples will also be given. Firstly we have to study one by one. Now next application of this article the is there. Sometimes common noun is in the place of possessive adjectives. Common nouns are used, and before that common noun, what is used there? We use article the for which sense? For the possessive adjective. What are possessive adjective? You have studied in previous classes, in lower classes. You know adjective of different types. One of the types is possessive adjective. For example, suppose I is there, the possessive adjective of I will be my. If he is there, the possessive adjective of he is his. If she is there, to her. If we is there, to us or our. In this way, if they is there, to their. So these are possessive adjectives. It is used especially. Every pronoun has its possessive adjective. I have explained previously. So before the common noun, if sense of possessive adjective is there, the possessive adjective will not be written. It will be replaced by only article the. Article the is sufficient to demonstrate possessive adjective. It will give the sense of possessive adjective. Although the is not possessive adjective, but it will give the sense in the sentence of the possessive adjective. I will give examples also. Now next example is, next application is, if common noun is there, in the sense of the same, the word the same, if the same sense is there, the same type, the same manner, if the same sense is there, so the same word will not be noted down. What to do? We generally note down the before the common noun. If common noun is there, so before that the is used for which purpose? It gives the sense of the same. For example, if man is there, before the man, if the is article, the is used, so it will be the man, and meaning of this the man is the same man. If the same word is there, so to replace the same, we generally use only article the. Other application is also there. Suppose that common noun is used as a apposition of proper noun. Apposition of proper noun. What meaning of apposition of proper noun is here? Suppose apposition means a kind of extension of the sentence. You know the sentence. You are well acquainted with the sentence. A noun will be given and we try to expand noun in other words. For example, Delhi, the capital of India. Hindi, our mother tongue. Like that, it is extended. The meaning is extended, and such application of extension of these words are known as apposition to the proper noun. A proper noun will be given and its apposition will also be given. So we try to just expand the meaning of proper noun by using the. Learners, you also know the use of musical instrument. Musical instruments are there. We generally play our musical instrument from time to time. You see, if any music concert is there, it is always organized with the help of these musical instruments. For example, tabla, sitar, harmonium, etc. So many musical instruments are there. If this type of musical instruments are there, so it is compulsory for you to use article the. If the is not used before those musical instruments, the sentence will not be correct. So for this purpose, to avoid such mistakes, what to do? We have to apply article the before these musical instruments. So we will give some examples also regarding it from time to time when I will explain here. On the board it is already given. So example will be given later on. You know, some of the places are very important. They have historical importance, religious importance. So such places and so many monuments or buildings are there which are very important and crucial for historical point of view. If such places and monuments are there which are very crucial or important or significant with respect to the history, so before those buildings or monuments, we generally try to apply article the. If before those monuments or places, article the is not used, it means the sentence is wrong. So how to make it correct? Before these monuments or these historical places, we generally apply which article? Article the. Now see, other applications are also there. If proper noun is there and it is qualified by any adjective. If proper noun is there and this proper noun is qualified by any adjective, so before that adjective, which article is used? Article the is used. If common noun is there, be here cautious. Keep in mind, if common noun is there and before that any adjective is there, before that we apply a oblique n. Indefinite article is used. But if proper noun is there, if proper noun is concerned and before proper noun, if this proper noun is qualified by any adjective, so before that adjective, article the is used. These are difference between common noun and proper noun. Here you should be very cautious regarding the application of any article the before noun. If proper noun is there and adjective before it is qualified by adjective, what to do? We generally use the. If common noun is there and before that adjective is there, it is qualified by either a or oblique n. Other use also there. If weight is there, measures are given or rate is given. If this type of situation is given, we generally apply article the before weight, measures and rate. To elaborate this, to understand this, how is it applicable in sentences, we require examples, and these examples are written here and we will study one by one. So let us see what are the examples. Students, see here. The is used before office, oblique cinema, oblique theater. Either say cinema or theater. Before cinema, office or theater, we generally use the, article the. Try to follow. Example is there. He is at the office. If you write he is at office, this is a wrong sentence. What will be correct sentence? He is at the office. Means before office, it is compulsory for you to apply article the. If the is not there, it means this sentence is grammatically full of mistakes. And which type of mistakes is there? It is the mistake of article. The article should be there. Now go to next sentence. I am going to the cinema or theater. Before cinema or theater, we have applied here article the. If the is not used, it means grammatically this one is incorrect sentence. You will be cautious. Before cinema or theater, it is compulsory, it is necessary for you to use article the. Now go to next. The is used as common noun, used as abstract noun. This one is also there. Sometimes common noun is used as a abstract noun. In such cases also we use article the. What is there? The student in me is still alive. The student means the quality of studentship, the spirit of studentship. This one is common noun. And before that, what is used? The. It indicating as abstract noun. Abstract noun means there is no any concrete shape of that noun. Such noun is known as abstract noun. You have studied about different types of noun, and abstract noun is one of these nouns, these type of nouns. So abstract means a noun which has no any concrete shape or size. So such a noun is we only realize or feel. For example, honesty. Honesty is a noun. We cannot see honesty, but we can realize, we can understand it only. So this type of noun is known as abstract noun. So if common noun is there and before that the is there, it means this common noun before the indicates to abstract noun. The student means it is not indicating about any particular student. It is indicating about the quality or the spirit of studentship. The student in me is still alive. The quality or the spirit of studentship is still alive in me. So it is talking, the student talking about the spirit or enthusiasm of studentship. So next one is the mother in her is dead. Means the quality of motherhood in her is dead. So the mother means not indicating about any mother. It is indicating about the spirit or the quality or the enthusiasm of motherhood in her is dead. If this type of abstract sense is there, abstract noun, it indicating about abstract noun, in that sense also we use article the. Now next one is there. The is used before common noun. It is common noun here in place of possessive adjective. Before that I told you possessive adjective means different pronouns are there and they have their different possessive adjectives. So in the sense of possessive adjective, if before common noun is used here, the, it indicates possessive sense. For example, see, he caught her by the arm. He caught her by the arm means the indicating his arm. He caught her by his arm. Meaning is there. Here it is indicating her arm. his arm, sorry, his arm. And what is his here? His is possessive adjective of he. So this the is indicating not article, it is indicating about possessive adjective of this subject he. So possessive adjective of he is his. So sense of this one is he caught her by his arm. But we will not note down here his, we will apply here in the place of this possessive adjective, we will apply the arm means his arm. The arm means his arm. Next sentence is I hit him on the head. I hit him on the head. On the head means his head. On the head means on his head, because I hit him where? On the head means on his head. So the indicate here his here. And what is his here? According to this is the possessive adjective of he. So the indicates possessive adjective here, the sense of possessive adjective. Meaning of this one is his head. The head means his head. Next one is he pulled the dog by the tail. He pulled the dog by the tail means by its tail. Whose tail? Dog's tail. So it is talking about by its tail. It means dog. For dog, which possessive adjective is there? Its. It is used for which purpose? Either non-living object or animals. It is used for non-living object or animals. So here it will be he pulled the dog by its tail. This is the meaning of the tail. Next sentence is he hit her on the eye. On the eye means on her eye. Meaning of the sentence is he hit her on her eye. So this thus indicates possessive adjective. The eye means her eye. The tail means its tail. The head means his head. The arm means his arm. It means all the article the is indicating to possessive adjective, and generally it is used just before which one? Article, common noun. Common noun, eye, tail, head, arm. All these are common noun, and before that the article is used. It means it is indicating about what? Possessive adjective. You should be cautious regarding it. This one is used as which one? Possessive adjective. Now next application is if common noun in the sense of the same, in the sense of the same is there, so before that common noun the article is used, but meaning of the is there, the same. It will be noted down there only the article, but meaning will be the same. For example, he is the man the police wanted. Meaning of this one is he is the same man to whom the police wanted. For here, he is the same man the police wanted. Only the is noted here. The man means the same man. Here also, he is the leader of this place. He is the same leader of this place. Means the is noted down, but its sense is what? The same. In this way, other rules are also there. So we have to study those rules also. And by the way, we have to use properly and try to avoid such mistakes regarding the proper use of article. Let us continue. Next rule. What is next rule there? The is used where before common noun used as apposition to the proper noun. Apposition means just expansion of which one? Proper noun. A proper noun will be given, and just to expand the meaning of that, we try to use the article before common noun. The article will be used just to expand the meaning of, just to extend the place or person. For example, Patna. And what is Patna here? So Patna, we are talking about Patna, it is indicating what? The capital of Bihar. Capital is common noun, means it is apposition, the capital of Bihar. It is apposition because Patna is extended here. Patna, if we say simply about Patna, it means we are talking about only one place. No further information. If we want to give the further information of this place, it means we have to note down article the, then we will expand it by using any common noun. What is Patna here? Patna, comma, the capital of Bihar. Again, Gandhi, and who is Gandhi? We can expand his. In other words, Gandhi is the fighter for freedom. If we say simply Gandhi, it is an ordinary word. So apposition will also be used. It will be extended. How can we extend? By using article the. Gandhi and comma is compulsory here. Patna, comma, the capital of Bihar. Gandhi, again comma, the fighter for freedom. Is it clear here? So it is giving the information about Gandhi. Clear? Who is Gandhi? The fighter for freedom. It is extended here to define who was Gandhiji, to emphasize who was Gandhiji. Next rule is the is used before musical instrument. You know musical instrument, it is very popular among the musicians. You may count musical instrument. You know musical instrument. Can you tell some musical instrument? You know about tabla, harmonium, piano. Other instruments are also there which are used for musical purpose. So before these musical instruments, we have to apply article the. The is compulsory before musical instrument. For example, he plays the tabla, not only tabla, the tabla. Or he plays the harmonium. So before harmonium, the is used. Before tabla, the is used. Or he plays the sitar. Sitar is also a musical instrument, and before that, the article is there. He plays the violin. Violin is also a musical instrument, and before musical instrument, it is compulsory for you to use article the. I think you understand this. Now go to next one. Some of the places are very important, and some of the buildings or monuments are important, and these monuments and places have significant importance because important incidents and occurrences took place to those places, and important buildings are also there. So such places and buildings are kept in a other category, and basically it is protected by our government. Historical places and buildings, all these are our national monuments, and these are our national assets, and before these it is compulsory for you to use article the. For example, Taj Mahal is there, so this one is historical monument, and before Taj Mahal, the is used here. A Red Fort, this one is also historical building, and before that, article the. Golghar, it is important place. So this one is historical place. So before that, which article is used here? The Gol Ghar. It means the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Gol Ghar. Means it is compulsory for you if historical places and buildings are there. So before that, we are bound to use article the. If the article is not used, so grammatically it will be incorrect sentence. So you have to make correct sentence by using article the. Now see, if proper noun is qualified by any adjective, proper noun you know, name, proper name of particular name of person, place or thing, that is proper noun. If proper noun is there and before that adjective is there, so it is compulsory for you to use article the. See here, Mahatma Gandhi, it is proper noun because it is particular name of our freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi ji. So before Mahatma Gandhi, article late is there. An article is used, an adjective is used here, late Mahatma Gandhi. This one is proper noun. Before proper noun, adjective. So it is compulsory for you if this situation is there, proper noun and before that adjective is there, so you are bound or you are in a position to apply article the. If you don't apply article the, so the sentence is incorrect. So make it correct. What to do? If proper noun there, before that adjective, you are bound to use article the. It is compulsory for you. In the same way, Tulsi is there. We know about Tulsidas. He is the composer of Ramcharitmanas. Before Tulsidas, what is noted down here? Immortal. Adjective is there of Tulsidas. If proper noun before that adjective, it is compulsory for you to use article the. So what will be there? The immortal Tulsi. Radha is the proper name. Radha you know. If Radha is there, proper noun, before that beautiful. Beautiful qualifies Radha. So Radha is qualified by beautiful, means adjective is used regarding Radha. So before that, it is compulsory for you to use article the. It means the late Mahatma Gandhi, the immortal Tulsi, the beautiful Radha. It is compulsory for you to use article the when condition should be there. A proper noun is qualified by any adjective. Only then we will apply article the. If such case is not there, we cannot apply. If this situation is there, only then we can apply. Next one is the is used before weight, measures or rate. For examples, silk is sold by the meter. Meter is measurement of what? Length. It is the unit of length. So the silk is sold by the meter. By the meter. If simply we note down by meter, it is incorrect. Before that we have to use by the meter. It is unit, and before unit it is compulsory for you to use article the. These are units. It is the unit of length. Kilo is the unit of what? Mass, and dozen is of a number. So wheat is sold by kilo. Eggs are sold by the dozen. Wages are paid by the day. Wages means the stipend or the workers. Wages are given where? By the day means day by day. So this one is given rate. Rate of wage of the workers, daily workers. So in this way we have studied today so many proper applications of article the. Although it is not completed, some still are there. We will consider and study it about next lecture, and that will be completed very soon, and you will observe that lecture also. Very soon the video of that lecture will be visible before your screen, and you may entertain that lecture also. I hope you have understood all these proper applications of article. The rest of the articles we will talk and discuss in next lecture. So please wait for the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.